needed right there. Pat, there he is. Good morning, King. Here we go, Koopy. Let's go, baby. One more day. Hey, like I said, Wednesday we had a tough day. We battled back a little bit yesterday. Mentally felt better. I got some good sleep. I feel even better about it now. If it either happens or it doesn't, I'm ready to fight for these accounts, even if we get it today or we don't. So we'll see what happens. Stress Money Friday. No Stress Friday. How about that? We'll change Free Money Friday to Stress Free Friday. I like that. Let's just change our perspective on it, Danny. Yo, what's up? Good morning, D. Welcome in, King. Thanks, family. W family. Of course, GBT. You're crushing it, baby. I love seeing it. It's so inspiring. All of us. Hey, Pat. There you talking to him. Jeep Gold. Welcome in, King. Good luck. Good luck. Well, family, market opens up here in a minute and a half. Are we feeling it? Stress-free Friday. And we'll see what we can find here. Stress-free Friday. Last Friday, we did not do stress-free, so today we are going to invert that and be better. I made 780 yesterday night on my Lucid funded accounts. I need 3 more days for the max 10 beaner payout. Let's fucking go, D. Love seeing you crushing. Another stampede with a set of accounts trying to run towards that max payout, baby. Max, good morning, King. As always, welcome. Love having you here, brother. Free Stress Friday or Stress-free Friday. Tyler, guess what? Elliot, tell me, King. Got his first funded, the W's right now, family. Sheesh. Come on. Hey, that's progress. Keep grinding, King. Now, don't waver. Do exactly what you did to get funded in the funded account now, and you're going to get paid, baby. The exact same thing you did to get funded. Don't change. Don't de-risk. Don't size down. Don't change. You're on your way, King. You're on your way. Saucy, good morning, King. Brahm, same to you, baby. We got a minute till market opens up here, family. There's 25 of you beautiful souls tapping in already. Means a lot you guys spending the morning here. Stress-free Friday. Let's dial in. Take a deep breath before it opens. Wherever you guys are at in your trading process right now, recognize the steps you've gotten to get here. You've put a lot of work in, a lot of consistency. You have everything that you need to go to where you want to go next, to the next step, to get better, to improve, and just got to let it happen. Get out of your own way, trust the charts, and let's dial in as a family right now. 30K is crazy. Like the stream. Let's go, Dave. Morning, Santi. As always, baby. Let's get it, family. Here we go. NASDAQ opening up here. Trying to find some gumption. We're looking like the 30,000s are a lock. We're bouncing off them right now. We'll see if we actually get the liquidity down there. Also, if you guys look below these 780s, this is where the actual gap is on this chart. The actual unopened gap at the 673s that we ended up never finding. So it'd be crazy. With all the W, it feels so good. It's a good day when you follow your setup, not what the P&L looks like. Exactly. Empanadas in the morning. Hey, that's just a good day. That's a good Friday. That's all that is right there. Work. NASDAQ pushing towards the lows here at market open, grabbing those 30,000 liquidity. It looks like, bam, there you go, sweeping through it. Are the sellers just in control right now? We're already down 1.5%. So let's be patient and see what it looks like. I mean, I expect we have a couple things that look decent for the buy side.
Yo, what up, Dave?
That look decent for the sell side. So
what up, Dave? Welcome, bro.
Likely, and try to find a nice clean trade. Lately, the bigger moves have been happening like instantly within the 15 minutes, and then we kind of decide from there. So it's like, I don't know. We'll see. We'll see as the market gives us something. What is this right here? From the 60s to the 98. It's only in 68-point candle, nothing, or 62-point candle, nothing crazy. Pad, you see my charts? I've been trading so shit this week. Trying to hold trades that don't facilitate it. Been having many opportunities to take green and fumble the bag bad. Santi, I can only relate to you, King. You saw me doing the same thing. So all we can do from here, baby, is take what we've been doing, learn from that in terms of, look, you know it's not the process. You know that's not going to get you to where you want to be. You know it's not going to do the things that you need it to do. So let's get out of our way and stop doing that. NASDAQ's doing the thing right now. Pumping up into those 84s. Tempted to try along here, family. Tempted to try to join these cats. It's a little early, of course, but we got a 30,000 price sweep with a lot of buying coming in. Tempting. It is tempting to try to poke these longs. Look at the inversion that we're getting right now. That's a great buy candle as well. It's going to be crazy, family, but if we come down into these prices, I'm going to buy it. I don't think we will. Off that break there. I want to kind of get in this long right now, though. It's really early, I know, but like I just said, the market's been moving very early lately. 65 looks so tempting. 65 looks really tempting here for a long continuation. Family. I really want it. I have my order in. I don't know if I'm going to get fired on this 57. It feels like it's a little too low. Here comes the EMA. I'm going to come up to the 60s. It's a little scary, and I ain't going to hold you. Would love to get tapped in before this thing tries to rip, though. Come give me a tap before you go, NASDAQ. A lot of volume came in on that candle. Still not as much as the opening selling to get through the 30,000s. Can we get a fill here at these 60s? Makes me feel like it's going to still be a little bit higher probably than the 60s, probably like the 65s. I'm still going to leave my order on. This is an early trade, family, but I'm going for it.
Order filled.
We're tapped in. Don't want to see an immediate inversion of this price. Show me a wick right here. Show us a nice wick right here. Hold this price, NASDAQ. Quickly going. It's quickly going against us here. Keep our eye on the 650s. On these 30,000s. Sellers did invert completely there. I don't like seeing it. I'm gonna give this one more candle reaction. See the closure here. Want to try to see some type of a wick attempt to save this pressure. The buyers are gonna come in. They should try to slam it, but if not, we're cooked. Great inversion candle. Might be an exit on the break even. We're trying to hold this EMA. It's tricky. Really interesting hammer candle that we just got formed there. I think that's enough for an exit for me here. Buyers tried, sellers tried harder. They defended it. It's really tricky to say here. I got these 30,000s, but I think I got to take this fucking... I think I gotta take it off. I think the buyers are trying, but it's just not enough. I think the sellers are heavier here. Give it one more chance. Don't want to see this bottom broke out, but it feels like it's gonna break out, you know what I mean? One more wick attempt. Come on, buyers. Get up there. Hold this price. Hold these 30s. Show me some higher time frame buying. This candle closure is everything for me. You can see the weakness in it, though. You can see the weakness in the buying here. Yeah, they're going to go take lows there. I'm out.
Order filled.
I'm out at the lows there, family. Pretty much max loss right away. Fuck, man. The buyers, I just wanted to see some continuation off that sweep. Well, we got to try to top ticket, bottom ticket now, so we'll see. That was not what I wanted to see right there. Yo, 400 more to pass. Hit at 1,000 short there. Let's go, gold. Way to get in the shorts, baby. You seen that level on the day, I think? I only know what you're seeing, though. Not holding until at least the bottom will stop loss line. Well, there's the stops. See if the buyers are going to try to pick this thing up now. Man. Selling. Got that initial reaction to sweep through the 30,000s. I thought maybe we were going to go find some higher liquidity there, but that was just a continuation for the sellers. Feels like they want deeper here as well. Another break of the 30K price. Sellers still coming in. Another break of the 30K price. Sellers still coming in. We only have like, fuck, I don't even know, 7 points of drawdown, so we're going to have to pretty much find a nice spot here. Yeah, like a D, I'm interested in sells, but we'll see what happens. Nothing holding into the bottom. Now we reset, brother, and you got this. Yeah, it'll be all right. Like I said, I've already detached from the outcome of this. It's either going to play or it's not going to play, and we're going to find out. But NASDAQ did not want to find buyers there at those 50s. I was hoping to see a little reaction. Buyers look like they don't want these 30s to break, but I feel like if they do get this to break, we have a lot of sell side below that could be pretty targeted. Here's another spot they're trying to decide at. Makes it a lot harder to try to be a buyer down here, to be honest, after that immediate rejection. Instant rejection up there. Makes it very hard to try to join the buy side. Here we go. The seller's getting a continuation through the 30K hold number. Let's see where we go. Oh, wait. It's a 2K DLL or a 1K? It's a 1K, Saucy. I believe. Let me double check. But I'm pretty sure I only have 1,000 drawdown today. Sometimes it's 3, sometimes it's 2. Yeah, today specifically, I am in balance requirement is 53,000, so balance minimum. So yes, I have a $1,000 daily loss limit right now. Pretty shitty, pretty shitty. Pretty shite, not very good. Don't like that, want more. I'm looking for sales targeting the 9,800s. Yeah, that's the bottom where I like to see this level. Below the 8s even a little bit tricky, D, because we actually have that gap starting at the 675s the buyers or the sellers could be targeting. So it's hard to even say that the 8s will be the spot. But I do think it's a nice clear level that we could be targeting. I'm going to be patient. I'm going to wait for the 15-minute range. If it continues to be very bearish, I'm just going to find a nice spot and get in, try to top tick and get this thing to print. Sellers getting a closure officially below the 30Ks. Feels like they're ready to get a little bit of continuation now. There's a push into the 260s. Setting lower lows. $30,000 short attempt could have been decent there. Oh, my nose is itchy. Finally passed, Micah. Come on, King. Congratulations, baby. Congratulations. What a feeling. Especially on a no stress Friday. Easy. ES already hit the high. I think NQ was trying to do the same. ES bounced off the old damn highs. The old all-time highs, and NQ is lagging, so I think it's going for the old high. I don't know. I don't know, sir. I feel like sellers a bit heavy here at the 30,000s. Of course, if they're going to defend these lows, they're going to defend it now. Also, if you look at this daily print, family, look at the daily candle. It's the first day that we've had just completely, like, very... Actually, I guess this one. But other than that, this bull run, this is like one of the bigger sell days we've had on a bull run, so... Who knows? It's hard saying not knowing, you know? It's hard saying when you don't know at the end of the day. This does look pretty crazy. It does look like we kind of want to go target these 760s. I'm not going to lie. Patience at this point. At this point, we got to be patient. See what happens here with this NASDAQ. Looks like it's still just trying to print for the lows here, though. It's already down 1.7%. Sellers feel like they're in a bit of control here. Who knows? I don't know, but we're going to find out. My Top Step account, I don't be talking in here, but I love being part of the fam. Let's go, Mike. I'm proud of you, King.
Order rejected.
Yeah, the daily is what I'm talking about, Ty. Look at NQ and look at ES. I already agree. I agree because ES already...
Order filled.
Oh, I see what you're saying, King. Yeah, ES already took through there. And then looks way weaker. Interesting. ES has clear lows below as well. NASDAQ's going for lowers. Breaking down here. I'm going to try to sell just on a continuation short here. I think we're going to keep stretching this. I think we have a little ways to go right now, to be honest. I only have 7 points in drawdown, so it's going to be tough to try to find my spot. I wanted this initial EMA touch on the retest of the break. Didn't take it just because it's hard to with these 30,000s, but I like the way the sellers are trying to come in here. Damn, how's she gonna go? Look at this hourly candle printing below the lows, looking pretty decent. Two minutes till our 15-minute range is in, family. Let's see what happens. I'm gonna show it up 300. Yeah, I think they want 800. I do too, Pat. She missed my entry by a point, so now I'm sulking. It's the worst feeling, Danny. Pat off stream today. Yeah, his computer wasn't working, he said, so he's just in the chat right now. He's trying to get his computer up and running, and then we'd have him join in if it turns better. But for now, we're just going to be chilling. Took a very early short there, trying to see if the buyers that ended up through the 30,000 would end up picking us up towards something. But look how sharp the VWAP's dropping down. I think sellers are very much the ones that want to go today. I just think the sellers very much want it. Wouldn't be so surprising. It's the first day in a while that they've even had stampeding a movement. So, Morning King, where's Pat? I'm at 500 on my new Tradify accounts. D, let's go, King. Come on, come on, come on. W Patsky always W Patsky. 944. I want to get our box drawn up here now.
I'm in a short on my new Tradify accounts that I just bought because my lucids are done for today, and I just need 1,000 for today. So let's go. I'm at 700.
Put in.
This is the first trade
extending through it now.
I took.
Buyer's trying to give a little bit of relief or something. I think continuation plays. I don't know if I want the next EMA tab, but something like that. First successful trade of my funded and got it at 150. Come on, Elliot. Come on, King.
Order filled.
I'm up 700.
Order filled.
Come on, B. To the 900. Sellers getting this 100 points below 30,000 now. Crazy. Crazy. Volume, a lot of volume breaking through the bottom of the 15-minute range. So we're either going to look for a rejection, which would be a strong buy signal. Don't really expect that. Or kind of trickling, and then any retest towards this bottom of the 15. We're going to try for a short. For me, even this could be an EMA touch if we come up into the 950s right now, but we'll see. Definitely targeting lower liquidity. We just got to see if we can get into a position to join them. 50% of the 15-minute range doesn't look terrible. It'd be a 30,000 short. I just don't even expect us to really get there for at least a little while, possibly. A lot of volume though. See if the buyer's going to continue to try to get this momentum going.
I'm fucking tired. That ain't take the same short.
You see the buyers just aren't able to move this thing at all right now. Right now, I'd be interested in any short at the ZMA bottom 15 range. It's like a little bit deeper. I mean, it's 29, so we've barely moved off of it at the moment. I see a little bit of a deeper push towards like the 880s and then a retest of this. I'd be willing to get in.
What the hell? 882.5 my TP on reset and lucid. 88.
Let's fucking go. I just made 5 bands.
882.
Come on, dude.
Fuck yeah, you're gonna get it, dude.
I got your stream up as well, bro. Creating an account to follow you now. Let's go. I'm home, baby. I follow Tyler. Well, I'm so tilted. I'm full porting. Santi, come on, baby. I'm home. Work. Let's go. Get it. Let's get it, King. Santi, we can do better, baby. No stress Friday. Stress-free Friday. That's fine, bro. I may as well support you on your journey as well. Let's get it. Let's get it. Definitely support all of us, family. That's what it's about. See, this is what I wanted to see. A little bit of a deeper push.
Thanks, bro. I just don't want to steal ties.
Retest towards this price.
Like, because that's kind of rude.
Very, very giving.
I just don't want to steal his people because I watch Ty.
Really got me on a tricky there, but.
Damn, I'm done today.
It's all right. It's all right.
I need to lose some money, actually.
I like to see sellers continue.
Let me see.
Good bit more, to be honest with you. I think we have a good bit more to go here. We are down 2% on the NASDAQ. Keep in mind that, family. And sellers are going to be a little extended. We're down 2% right now.
I need to lose some money.
Only thing is that when the buyers come in, they're probably going to come in pretty aggressively. So
Order rejected. Order rejected.
but right now,
Order rejected.
I mean, we are just
Order rejected.
nice buy candle, 50% of the range, and then just every candle since then has just been a sell off. Selling's slowing down a little bit. Again, we are over
I need to
50%
lose
sold
money.
off, so continuation is just going to get a little bit
Dude,
higher
I had it
and
on
higher,
1,000 and it still
right
went
now,
over.
It doesn't feel like they want anything except for lower prices. This is just a straight sell-off.
Order
It's
filled.
hard to
Order filled.
hard to do anything with that.
Well, let me make some more.
Order filled. Order filled.
800s is going to be interesting. I want to see them break, but I'd rather it,
Order filled.
not just go fill from the 30,000 100s to the 8s immediately.
Ah, that's too much.
That chance. It's feeling like
My dickhead.
My goodness.
Order filled. Order filled.
And then below that is the gap.
Order filled.
So at
Order
the-
filled.
What is this?
All right.
The 674, 673 price is that gap that we ended up leaving behind a while ago. We'll see. Still sad about my missed entry. It was 30,020. I know, Dan. I did the same thing up around these prices. You got it a little bit. Almost hit your top tip higher than me, but yeah, I felt that one too, Queen. Sellers. Sellers! Anyone smart know why this is happening? I don't. I'm assuming just probably rebalancing. I mean, at the end of the day, we have just been stampeding to the buy side, so we're gonna have to give a little bit of balance, right? That's just the way the markets facilitate. Look at this chart. Like if we saw this on a 1-minute chart, we wouldn't be surprised that it's selling off, right? If this daily chart was our 1-minute chart, we would not be surprised to see a little bit of a sell at all, right? So I guess that's kind of what we're looking at here, Santi. Is my stupid person analysis, of course. At the end of the day, we don't know. Anything could happen. Buyers coming up into the 900s. Do they get through there? Do I have the gumption to take a short there? I don't think so, unless I was going to be immediately looking for a quick scalp. I think I'd rather be waiting for a top of the 15-minute range retest. $980 looks like a decent spot. Yeah, I don't think I can short this first EMA tap. Now it's just to have no entry. Yeah, we got to fight for an entry, Danny. I think it's going to be the bottom of the 15-minute range. Maybe these 980s-ish. I like a 980s if we could get there. Feel a little bit extended, but that's what I'll be hoping for at this point. I feel like this EMA is going to be all that we get, though. And then we're just going to... Does anyone here actually usually trade on Tradeify? The new rules for 3K profits. What's the max I can do one day? Is it actually exactly 1,000? For fundeds or loose evals, D? No, NQ will probably end the day green. Dawn, yeah. Balance another than full port day. Yep. Balance another than full port, Bubba. And there's the EMA touch pushing off, though I think this one was like a fake break off is what I think. But we could be wrong. I think we were just slowly going for the gap fill in the past few days. Yeah, down to those 680s, 670s. I do too. I just want to be a part of it, NASDAQ. Don't you get it, Queen? I didn't want you to go without me. Here's the first EMA tap. Usually you don't get that nice of a reaction. I expected us to kind of break through it. This thing could still wick up, but I really want to get a little bit higher of fill. In which case, if we don't get it, it's just because these sellers, man, they got the dog in them. They got that dog in them sellers. I tell you, you gotta look out for them sellers. They'll come for ya. They'll get ya. We come back up in this fucking, it's tough because there's a couple spots I'd rather, like the 970s, 980s where I just got missed earlier, where I questioned myself there. Here we go with another EMA tap, same EMA tap, makes this EMA tap way less supported. VWAP still curling pretty aggressively. Ideally, it'd be these 970s would be like my favorite spot to try to get short, but I just don't think that. I don't think that the buyers are going to have an easy time getting through the bottom of 15, and there's a couple spots that I can imagine they find some resistance at, so. Here's an EMA tap. Are they going to get through there this time? It feels like they should. It feels a little weaker now after 2 taps of it, but this could also be a classic bear flag. We'll have to find out. That's how I got my zones all directions in the market. Selling off because not 800 is the old all-time high, and then NQ is trying to bounce off that zone like he did on the higher time frame. Laugh my ass off. I do pre-market with J-Dubs. He's usually right. Who's that? Scarface trade, J-Dub trade. I sent you their 5-minute orb videos. Off the 800s, huh? Yeah, I mean, I feel like that's where we want to go. I agree. How do we get down there is the question. How do we get down there? Do we go bounce off the bottom of the 15-minute range? Do we go find these 980s one more time for a nice clean trade? These 70s would be like the cleanest trade I could get to try to save these accounts. We don't know. Push NQ. Santi took the long. Scary, scary long, my man. That is a bold position. I see why you did it. I understand, but that is a scary position in the daylight right now. Good morning, family. Kay, welcome in, Queen. Hope you're doing great. You're doing amazing things. Any retest towards these 70s is gold. I don't know if we get through the bottom of the 15-minute range. That's going to be the first step to find out. Took a quick scalp for them from the 900s. Nice. That is really nice. We could keep pushing here. We could find this to be the peak. I imagine we go try to at least test the bottom of the 15 for a break and retest trade, but sellers are looking just very grumpy right now. There's, actually, you guys have had your way enough, buyers, and I'm ready to go find some sell side. It's like, you know what, that's fair. I get it. Like, do what you got to do. So that's what we're waiting on. We're waiting to get these sellers to get where they really want to go, which I believe is these 8s. Maybe even below that is that opening week gap down there. And I just don't want it to just landslide. I want it to give us a chance, get a little bit of a higher bid down here and get a fill. But right now, look at it. Didn't even get close. The 900s were the new defense for the sellers. No bottom 15-minute range, no 970s, setting lower highs, lower swing points. And there we go, pushing into the zone now. Tapping into 830s right there. A little bit of buying orders stepping in, but still feels pretty heavy. Feels pretty heavy, I ain't gonna hold you. Gotta wait for something clean. Only have so many points in drawdown, so we gotta do something great. Could you send the video to me as well, please, D? I'm Elliot on Discord. Let's go. Don't scare me out of it, LOL. I'm not trying to, King. Just trying to keep your head on. Doing great, King. I'm done for the day. Traded both accounts, 690 on for first one after a little pullback, and the 750 trade on the PD. LPS. Okay, let's go, Queen. Come on. Their YouTubers, J-Dub trades, and on Scarface trades. I only watch J-Dubs, though. Another break even, but I might re-enter. I mean, we are down 2%, but there's a lot of liquidity levels right below, King. These 800s or 770s, and then below that is 670s. Like, there's a lot of spots below that. I wouldn't be trying to front run. Again, I don't want to talk about trades. You know what you're doing. You know you're a great trader, but just trying to share my insight. I obviously took a long initially trying to see if this 30,000 support would be real. So who knows? Clearly I don't either. So do what you think is best. Sellers getting a nice breakdown here. Feeling like they want those 8s.
Hey Siri, spell psychology.
Psychology. I'm gonna be patient.
PSYCHOLOGY.
I like that, Santi. Wowzers, there we go. We're just feeding. There goes the 7, the 800s with a clean break of it too. I mean, this is just, oh, it's free selling. Just one-sided selling. I didn't like the 900s because I thought we might want it a little bit lower. Now officially it's hard to take a short. Now Santi, maybe. I still would wait for this next break of the actual 7. What is this? What is this low right here? 766. I'd wait for a break of this. I think those should break right below it as well. Yeah, so really these 740s look decent as well. Somewhere in this zone could get wild though. Buyers could come in pretty aggressively here at any point. Somewhere.
Damn, Dave, I can.
After we sweep through a little bit more low.
Oh shit.
Here we go with these 90s, 80s.
For real, Dave?
And then that gap is a little intimidating down here at the 675s. Look at the speed
Dave.
that they're moving with. Straight conviction.
I think you're right, Dave. What the fuck?
Damn, what a position that was. Oh, we're given a great opportunity. The NASDAQ just give it all. Sellers just in complete and utter control. I paid for the Discord and trading course, Elliot. I was $200, but to be honest, I learned hella shit. It was like $10-day course. I learned about psychology part of it, part about trading, and others. Why most of the traders are 1 hour long, plus traders even on Asia. You get your structure set up in your process. I like that. Don't usually watch the lives, but watch the streams the next day since I'm in a different time zone. Just want to say I really enjoy the streams and all the best and all the best to you. This H means the most, family. Glad you find value. Appreciate you for being a part of the family, King. Truly means a lot. Yeah, and I went for 40 points. LOL. Should have held. Never know when we don't know, Queen, but I do understand. I feel it. Oh, I see that. Thanks, bro. Appreciate it. Let's go. Means a lot, though. This. NASDAQ still looking to the sell side. I mean, we are just targeting these lows. There goes snapping through the 770s. Hourly candle just closed. Look how bearish that hourly candle closed as well. There's nothing telling me that that's over. That is it. Patience. We're going to have to be patient here. Try to find something. 740.50 might reverse. Could Braum, but again, my only issue with that is we have that. The only thing after that, I don't mind the 40.50s. It's just we have that opening week gap. You see here on the charts. Market closed here, or no, closed here, and then opened up at the 676s. So the 676s feel kind of loud. So just go kind of tap into it. 800 pullback would have been a great day too. Yeah, would have been hard. There's an 800 tap right now into the 815s. The second EMA tap after the sell-off. Up $38. Come on, baby. Give it to that man, P. Enos. Yo, I appreciate it, King. By the way, I saw your message on my video. I haven't replied to those comments yet, but you left a really special one, and it means a lot, P. So I appreciate you, King. That's the strat I trade. It's that video. Let's go. Let's get it. Let's go. Look at the volume coming in. That was 5,400 contracts traded on the NASDAQ to find support at these 700s, get back above the 8s. Buyers look like they're trying to get a little something going here. A little tiny bit of something going here. I still really don't feel great being a buyer, to be honest. Run. My fault, Santi. But give that man some bazookas. Give that man some bazooka candles. I done threw the blunt on the balcony seeing green. Come on, give that man his monies. See some bazookas up through this EMA, and then I like a 900 retest. I think even from there...
Dude, I'm fucking so confused.
Like, I wouldn't mind a 9.
YouTube, I'm so confused. Where's my chat?
Kind of fill up this auction a little bit, and I could see the 70s as well, but if we get all the way up there, I'd be very hard to be a seller.
Oh, I see you, Dave, now. Let me pop out the chat. I tried to
3,000
stop
by
you
40.
from closing
By
that.
40 cents is 1,200 D. Yes, it is. 50% of this 1 hour candle would be...
Damn, Dave, you did? I gotta see.
Which is not bad. Right above it, right to the bottom of the 15-minute range. Cool. I like that. Buyers came in with a lot of volume, seeing if they could pick it up again. Makes me not believe them with the way that we had that second reaction over there. I feel like they're just marching this thing down. If we get a break of these 750s, I might just kind of poke in. Another break even. Hey, that's better than losing, King. You're doing great. Good risk management, Santi. I love it. Way to prevent the losses. All right, I'm out, guys. Have a good weekend. Santi, love you, buddy. Appreciate you for being here. Sorry you're getting out of here early. Take some breaths, King. You got this. Just another day. No stress. Free stress Friday. Stress-free Friday. Whatever the fuck. NASDAQ tapping into these lows. Looking to see if it wants to push higher. If we get through this EMA, I can see a tiny relief bounce towards the 9s. It's just hard to really try to join.
No shit, Dave, it's 1,200?
Today is a hard day. Give yourself some grace, family. I got caught on this 30,000. We stepped through the 30,000s. And then buyers came in. I thought maybe we get a little continuation before the selling started, but no, sir. Buyers trying to defend these 770s, 780s. They came in with a ton of contracts with no continuation. It's not my favorite thing to see when you're looking for trades. Are they going to get it now, though? Still being suppressed by this EMA. Morning, y'all. How we living? Sobs. How was your 9 tie? I had a really good time. Hit a birdie on hole 1, so I felt really good. That was my second birdie ever. Haven't been playing a ton, but man, that birdie felt really good. Ended the round with a par. Had bogeyed the par 3 right after that birdie. Had a couple bad holes, but overall had a really good time. Hung out with the boy in the sun, and that's it. You know, just vibes. It was a good day to stay. These are the funded tie. Oh yeah, these are my Apex PAs. These are my babies that we've been trying to grab that 38 bag out of that I dripped and leaked on Wednesday. So that's why I'm pretty much detached at this point. Like if this goes, you know, it is what it is. We're battling, family. I've accepted it. This is the zone where I told buyers what's going to come. They very much could, D. If they get above the 8s, it looks decent, but still would have a hard time downing these sellers right now. Again, we have that balance in below that I just feel like they want that gap. This is zone. Morning, fam. Let's go. Love that. I had a great time. It was really nice house. How are you, though, King? How's work been? How are you feeling? Happy Friday. Morning, fam. TLR, welcome in. Good morning, King. 785, 710 is my zone for the bounce off the old all-time highs. Let's see if they get there. They can come at my number between the zone. A little bit of balance, a little bit of liquidity being found down here at these lows, at the 800s. Buyers trying to step up with a ton of contracts getting filled, but no continuation at the moment. Makes it hard to join one side. There they go. They're trying. They really are trying. Come on now. They're going for it. Trying to break up. You can just see how slow and how hard it is. Again, we just had 5,300 contracts filled, and they could barely even get above the EMA. Gave some selling back, and now they're trying again here. But it just feels like the sellers are the ones that kind of have this thing a little bit on lock. Here we go. Pushing through the 8s now into the 830s. Do they get continuation up through here? We good, man. Caught a few bangers this week when I could need 2 more days for a payout. So you're getting paid out, King. Come on, Sabs. I believe, baby. Good work. ChatGPT told me I can make 1,200. I'm going long. Good luck, D. Good luck, good sir. We are down over 2% on the NASDAQ, so not crazy. Not crazy to expect some bouncing. I'm waiting for a pullback towards this 900 price, maybe even bottom of the 50-minute range, something like that. 940s is out 50% of the range. A couple things I want to see.
I might go long. Let me see what happens. Yeah, I'm going long.
Order rejected.
Oh shit.
Order filled.
Buyers. Can they get this thing to continue into the 840s now?
Order filled. Order
Let's
filled.
fucking go!
You long at 842, D? Let's go, King. Good luck, sir.
I'm done! Let's fucking go! Let's fucking go!
Good, sir.
I told y'all buyers is coming. Why no one listen to these zones I got? God damn!
NASDAQ trying to get up.
Nigga, this is exactly what happened on the daily time frame with ES. Look, we bounced off of the zone. Look at ES. ES bounced off of the zone. They bounced, yes, they already bounced what, yesterday? They did the same thing and bounced off of the zone yesterday. We're lagging behind. We're gonna do exactly what they did.
I was 3 points away from bottom taking this move. Wrong. Imagine, King. 755s.
Yeah, fuck it.
Imagine. Hate hearing that for you, though, brother.
Fuck, Dave! Ah, hell no. What the fuck? I would have been in, but made goals for the day.
A couple spots I really
Scared the mess out of me. That's funny.
Anything that makes me a little intimidated about the 9s is I have very little drawdown, and I wouldn't want to see us test the top of the 15-minute range. Sellers kind of stepping at those 67s. Cannot. I just have a hard time trying to be a buyer. Trade them individually to get under 1,200. No copy trade. Boom, selling. Boom. They're getting some sell candles.
That means I'm gonna have to fucking take this shit off again.
It's hard to say. I mean, again, it's like I feel like each price is low-key getting lower for the battling's coming in. Like we're not getting the retest. Strong inversion to get back below that EMA.
I'm going short.
We'll see. The ones that are 22 over do 2 MNQ per and buy sell market back and forth. Same with the one that is over 70. 9 EMA on the 5-minute. 9 EMA on the 5-minute. That's what this task is.
Two, nigga. That's gonna take a while, bro. I'm gonna do 10. Hell no. I'm not copy trading. Look.
You can see the sellers responding to it pretty strong.
No, I'm not. Look, I'm on the 12 21. I think this one is let me
Hard to be
see.
a seller through these 800s, to be honest, but
This one's the
it's also
11.
hard being a buyer.
I'll
right?
lock.
So,
Oh, I can't lock nothing. Actually,
wait
I'm
till
gonna
we
just.
get here.
Fuck. What am I gonna do? Dude, I'm not gonna go with fucking 2. That's gonna take a while. Let me see.
Order filled.
Might try this price.
Fuck,
I
I'm
hate it.
already winning. How much? I'm at 21, so I gotta lose
go.
21.
Order filled.
That's fine with me. I'll keep it right
Order
there.
filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Why
What's
are those
this
leaks
one
so
at?
bad?
Yeah, I went over
Leaks
my
so
limit.
bad, man.
Order filled.
Max loss limit.
So this one's 60. I gotta lose right here.
Order filled.
All right, that's good.
Fuck in A, bro. Fuck. Well, Max, it's not what you want. Back
This
to the
one,
battle zone Monday.
12.
2 in the account. So
All right,
Order
right
filled.
there.
Spot we were yesterday after the Wednesday. Not ideal, family.
What
but
about this
it is
one,
what it
guys?
is. Cannot control.
One
we
little
cannot
one.
control.
All right, you're right. You're right. This one I need to
Really,
change.
Order filled.
Shouldn't have been so eager. With
Oh
filled.
fuck! I won money.
Mistake here
Order
was sitting
filled.
the soup through the 30,000s, expecting buyers to try to continue.
Order
Once they
filled.
didn't,
Order filled.
should've
All right,
been
there we
filled
go.
Sells, but it was tough to read. Tough
You
to find
buy and
spots,
sell
so
real quick.
we
Don't
bounce
hold
back
it.
is what it is.
Yeah, I know. I
keep
held
going.
this one too long, bro. You're right. Look, let me get some
The way
money
it's gonna
back.
Get better is I'm gonna start refining the way that I handle
Order
my
filled.
reactions. So that's all I can do at this point, family. Not my favorite. I hate losing. It sucks.
Order
but
filled.
It's,
Oh,
I
shit.
promise you, if you're going. to
Wait,
be
what did
traders, we're gonna
I
lose a
should?
lot
What
more.
did I get
Lose
from
a
that?
lot.
$50?
Forever. It's the
45?
game that we're
So
playing.
what do I need?
We gotta
I
be okay
can't
with
because
it,
the
obviously.
TP goes over. Remember, I was
Not the
using
outcome that I
these.
wanted to have this week.
I
wanted
use
to
these
have
as my
last
TP, but it
Wednesday
still
with a 28K
stops
payout. I
over.
wanted to have a
So that
38K
means I
payout
will
this
have to
time.
stop
Order
it.
filled.
The emotions, the anticipation, the
Order
narrative.
filled.
I was talking to myself.
Oh, I
about
should have
how
stopped
would
it up
be
there
if I
when it
didn't
went to
win.
65.
More than I was talking about, what it'd be like if I didn't. So I
Order
was building
filled.
up this.
Order filled.
Oh my god! Oh my god,
That's
Dave!
what it is.
Right on it! Let's fucking go, nigga! Let's go! Okay, you seen that? Right on it! 1999, nigga! What the fuck? That's the year I was born too. Let's fucking go! Right on it!
How wet and wild can we get with these, huh? Damn.
Right on it, motherfucker. He said, I can't believe I fat fingered that. Why you guys aren't in this long, dude? I told everyone this long was coming.
Emotions got me bad this week. Too, can we reset and come back stronger? That's all we can do. Let's go, family. You guys know what it is. We'll bounce. We'll bounce. I really did feel all the emotions Wednesday. Like I'm pretty detached right now. I don't really care a whole lot. Like it sucks. I'll never say it doesn't suck, but we can only do so much. I'm gonna try one contract right here.
Dude, I told all of y'all this long was coming, bro.
At these 900s. So it just got missed. My second spot is the top of that 15-minute range. I think we could come up into it. Oh, don't do that to me, NASDAQ. Trying to decide if I still want it now. Should have already been tapped into that. Makes me think if I do get tapped in, we'll probably find some buying pressure through it. Are you gonna give me some love up to these 901s or what? Or do I gotta look higher at the top?
I think this is going for a new high, guys. That's what I was telling y'all to get in that shit, but
Look at it struggling to give me a tap in there. That's a great candle, but I would really like to be filled now. Will sweep and fill me. Will sweep and then fill me. Could you ever? We have intraday trailing on these accounts, family, so we have to try to maximize. And it's just not gonna fill me, dude. You're crazy, NASDAQ. Fucking quarter of a tick away from a fill there. Like, you're such a... That's a good thing there. Oh, I didn't even turn my group on. That was a blessing in disguise, family. See, that's the thing. How can you react to the micro moments? Right there, I didn't even have my group on. So I'd have been tapped into one account, and then right away they'd have been lagging. They'd have been different. That's things working out for me, you know, just without even me knowing it. So that's how life is. I'm done for the day. Up 800 on 5. Sometimes we win, sometimes we lose, King. Exactly, Matrix. Glad you're making money though, King. Proud of you. Keep crushing. You got this. I appreciate it, Micah. Damn, I told everyone this long was coming. Wish y'all took it. Yeah, D, it's always hard knowing, right, King? But you did. You had the spot. It was a good target, good exit, good entry. I think this is going for a new high. Just remember, right, the markets can fuck with how we view money at 28K payout is serious, though. Brother, be proud and stay hungry for it. I know, it's crazy, because, like, as soon as I got that one, I was just thinking about the next one, and I didn't even get to, like, celebrate the fact that that was...
Damn, you guys see this? So looking at, if you guys are looking at my chart, looking at the 15 minutes, we're still bearish, but look at the 5, we're bullish. The 5 broke over this.
Let's go.
The 5 broke this order block, so we're technically bearish. I mean bullish now.
No, that's brutal.
If we get over VWAP, we're gonna definitely be bullish.
I do feel like these 70s, 80s is the next spot, but it's gonna be hard. I'm gonna try one here, and I'm gonna try to go. I'm doing 10 contracts, family, because I do not like the intraday trailing. So I'm gonna try to get through it like instantly. That's what my goal is.
Damn, Dave. Thank you for telling me that. Let me see what happens now.
The hopium.
What the fuck? I lost the accounts. Oh, I was about to say.
I'm doing it.
One day. So guys, look, I'll take you through my accounts. So this is my trade today. Let's go check my Lucid accounts.
For a quick reaction off this tap if we do get tapped in.
Lock out on that. My Lucid accounts.
Not a fan of being missed.
So these are all my Lucid accounts. I made 4,000 yesterday, 7,000 yesterday also. But it counts it as today.
Reaction. We have the top tip regardless.
Because I made it in Asia's. We're at 48. So technically I got the max payout on these. The max payout is 2,000, which they take half, so you need 4,000 to get 2,000. So I got 4,800. What my plan is to try to make like 8,000 on these accounts, so I could have a high buffer. That is my plan.
Sellers trying.
So I can have a high buffer for the next 4 weeks. I'm gonna try to get these accounts into funded because look, I did get payouts before, and I got $10,000 last month. Oh my god, guys. Oh my god, Dave K, you see that? If I get a payout, look at when this date was. Look at today. 3 more days. 1, 2, 3. That means I'll get the payout sent around the 13th, because it takes like a day or two. Dude, that's a month, and I made 10,000. Let's go, bro. Let's fucking go! That's almost a month away. $10,000 again. Let's fucking go!
Great reaction, and the buyers just decided.
Let's fucking go! I need that. I need that. So these are. He said lock these accounts.
Want to see an EMA try?
Look at you, so proud. Thank you. Thank you. I don't have a job, so this is kind of.
We're only expecting our intraday trade.
I don't. Like I can't work or anything because of the car accident, so this is what I use my money. I use the money here to do a lot of shit. All right, this account is locked, guys. Let's see my trade history before I get off. So I only lost 1 trade for 17. I made 16. Not bad. My win percentage is bad though. Oh no, it's right here. My win percent is 60. That's still bad for my opinion. I want to be at least a 75 or over 70. 65 at the latest. That's a 63, so that's kind of bad. Let me check. What the fuck is going on right here? What the fuck is this?
Really would like a nice break through the CMA here.
Yo, what the fuck? I still have these charts up, guys.
This is where things get weird. If we try to hold it, if we break through it, it looks really nice. Great push, great move.
On Monday, I'm gonna trade my loot. Oh, I'm gonna trade Sunday night. The fuck are these?
Order filled.
We're going to take that off there, family, because that puts me right at the buffer. A little bit short, actually. That's a great trade, though. Now we can try to find another position. I think that got me over the buffer.
What the fuck?
I need $100 more.
You guys see that? Am I tripping? Or you guys see this?
I think I need another $100 for the things. I'm going to try it again.
The fuck?
900
Ain't no way. Ain't no way I got other accounts that I didn't pay for. I mean, if they charge me, I'm gonna fucking get my money back.
I'm gonna try these 900s to get another.
Cause my shit is locked. Ain't no way I did that.
Candle reaction from the
Oh look, what the fuck? You guys see that?
Like they just want lower.
What kind of glitch was that? Oh hell nah. Hell nah, they playing with our fucking money. You guys see that? They fucking playing with our money. Ain't no fucking way that happened here. Cause my shit is locked. Ain't no luck. Look, guys, so let's go through my trade history on here before we get off stream. I might just leave my chart so you guys can see what the fuck happened in my chart. Oh, it's right here.
I may have to lower my order.
What happened in my
I
drawing?
want to get in. I think it's now the 88s. I'm gonna try it.
Order filled.
Yo, it didn't save my drawings. I mean, these are still my drawings, but it didn't save. Cause I had this one red. Oh well. Look, it bounced off of this. It looked like. So guys, yep, 83%. That's more like it. That's what I like to see. I lost one trade, Asia, right in the morning, or right as soon as the market opened. See, guys, the time. What the fuck?
Order filled.
404. I took the trade
there.
right
I think
when
he breaks
Asia
lower.
opened. I lost, so I didn't take any trades after that. I waited. I started doing other stuff. I was cleaning the house. I came back to the computer, took another trade, and I lost. Oh, actually, the first trade I won. Actually, guys, I won my first trade. The second trade I came back and took. I left the computer. I came back to a L, and then I took another trade, guys. And look. I took another trade and I made all that money back plus 1,000. So I mean I made 1,000 basically to get back to 700. So that's how this went. And I could have traded today, guys. I could have made way more money on this account, but nope. I already got the guaranteed $10,000 payout. I just need the fucking days. And that is what I'm waiting for.
Oh, that makes you just want to cry a little bit on the inside of your body. You know what I'm talking about?
I think this long is still going to play out. It's just consolidating right now. I don't know.
Great candle. Great candle, Tyler.
Alright, love y'all. I'm getting off.
You gotta be willing to hold that.
Or actually, I'm going to probably stay on. I'll leave my stream
Still
running.
making Zaz at home. Stop, I just seen this. I haven't in a while, actually, King. Truthfully. Could be another payout right there, Matrix. I know, I'm hoping so, King. What the hell? You over the buffer. Tyler, just carefully hit the buffer on casually, the buffer on TBT. Yeah, that was 2 on Q, Dave. Just get out if you can. Get it. It's so ironic, just the way that it is, the mental, the emotions.
Let's get 20K months.
Why did I get out of that?
Yeah, man.
I'm gonna pout about that.
Dave, I'm trying to get 20K this month. Last month I made the highest was
money, the
17. I made 17,200 last month. I got 10,000 off of Lucid, and then I got 7,200 off of Take Profit Trader. So I'm trying to beat that to this month. I'm gonna go for $10,000 this month. I mean 20,000 this month. 20,000. If I could get 20,000 this month. then I'm good, because I made 32K trading, but I probably spent, because what I do is I make money trading, but I put it back in the
You
market.
don't know.
So I probably
100%,
spent
bro.
like
You never know what you
20K
don't know.
on
The only
trading
thing is like I want
to make
at least see this little
32K.
try.
So if I make 20 more K, then I'm profitable
But
now,
sellers
but I'll
doing the
be
thing that they've been
way,
doing.
like, right now
Keeping
it
this
doesn't
sell
look like
train
I'm
going.
profitable, but
129,
like,
41, so that would've also
I know I'm
been
profitable, but it doesn't seem like I am in my head. But when if I get 20K this month,
Now I don't know if I like
with just it buying these accounts and not buying no other accounts, then I know in my head, and I know for sure that I'll have a guaranteed mindset that I'm in a profitable trading sense. So I think it will help me trade better in the future too.
What a goofy guy. What a goofy guy. You know what I think I'm going to do? And this is what I talked about to one of my best friends. I was telling him, Tim, he's in here all the time. I was telling him I wanted to hit a nice trade on TPT to get over the buffer. And then whatever I have for drawdown, I'm going to use for points of drawdown in my next day. So I'm not going to take this payout of whatever, like 500 times 5. So, you know, $2,500 payout. I'm not going to take it out. I'm going to leave these 26 points. 26 points is what I'm thinking about. I want to do 5 contracts. Trying to find an outside edge. Like if I would have taken this trade with 26 points, or would have held 29 to 42. So yeah, that would have held. So if I take a trade just like that with 5 contracts, get this thing to move 70, 80 points. That's $8 grand per account, 7 to 8 grand per account, which would then be a 40K payout. And that's kind of what I want to try. I want to try it. So we did the trade to get over the buffer, and now we do that, and we go for it. It's kind of what I'm thinking about. Crazy or what? Is it silly or wild or wet or weird? It's kind of what I'm thinking about, though. I'm really disappointed in myself for this exit right here, because that would have been a lot more buffer to play with. You can do it, bro. Let's go, Pat. I appreciate you, King. Yo, how's your computer? Still no love or what? There's 34 people watching, family. If we haven't yet, can we show some love? Obviously, we had daily max loss limit on our Apex accounts. Those accounts are sitting at 52,000, exactly where we were after the terrible day on Wednesday. So mentally, it's still right where we want to be. We can battle. These TPT accounts we just reactivated. I am proud of the defense that we got here. I'm really not proud of the exit on the second trade, is what it is. Of course, I'm just trying to refine so we can always get better. There's a big room for improvement there on that test. This shouldn't have been so scared, but it is what it is. I'm proud of it regardless. So, especially after this is the reason, family. Strong break below the EMA, retest to the EMA. We're not going to just on this candle then return. Like this candle would have been the one that brought us up, but once it didn't and we got this try, this was a safe hold, a safer hold, of course. All right, sellers are trying to pop in at these 840s. I kind of would be normally tempted to try a short here. I just don't like it, actually. I think the 800 bounce is what D's been talking about is going to be supported enough. So I'm not going to try to short this. In fact, I'm going to wait for another chance for a pullback up, to be honest. I'm up. I was up 950. Want to get that 50. Now I'm back to break even. Damn it. No way, Matrix. You said you were done for the day, King. Follow that. On a stress-free Friday, take your money, see your money, get out of here, King. It's good. I mentioned earlier I'm done trading. What you mean, Pat? Oh, you meant you're done trading. I hear you. Well, hey, small green day's a win, King. Proud of you. Let's go. We'll load back up on Monday together. You made me nervous right there in my chest, Pat. Like, I'm done. I was like, oh, what are you talking about right now? But no, that's fine. I get it. You already locked in your day. It's free stress Friday. No reason to do anything crazy. I'm going to be getting out of here in about 20-ish minutes anyways. So that's it. That's what we get, family. Might just call it here. Oh, it's a good day off these TPTs, but I am still like, what could have been, should have been. Why did I get out of this position here? That would have been a 10 grand payout. Had I wanted to take it again, I would have left it in there for 40 points of drawdown with the 5 contracts, which would have been a beautiful try. We'll try to buy these 49s. Bro. NASDAQ. Can we just talk about it? Can we just talk about it, please, NASDAQ? How you're being rude like that to me today? NASDAQ. Family. We just got missed by a fucking dick hair for this ride here. Which would have been all the... It's all good. It's all good. You guys saw that, right? You guys saw that miss right there, right? It's a good day to have a good day, Sab. 100%. Hey, I heard from a wise man. When life is going really good, it's beautiful. And when life is going not so good and it's struggle, it's beautiful. So we do what we can, family. We pick ourselves up and we keep showing up for the next day. At the end of the day, it's all perspective. We build up our own narratives. We build up our own stories. Life is good regardless. Count your blessings. How much are you gonna wait before payout, Dave? So I'm not gonna take these payouts. I'm gonna wait till Monday, and then we're gonna try to find a trade with whatever I have for drawdowns. I'm gonna have 26 points in drawdown, and I'm gonna try to find a five contract trade. And then if I can get a 70 point move, 70 point, 80 point move on that trade without busting the accounts, then they're gonna take a payout the next day. So it'll be roughly 30-35K payout if I can do what I'm saying. I would have loved this drawdown though, NASDAQ. I like that. Me too, Sabs. Me too, King. How about you? How's the Zaz been? I don't think you even sent me a photo yet, have you? I haven't seen your Za in action. I'm excited to go hit the range or the course today with the boys though. Excuse me, it's gonna be nice. Decompress a bit. I wanted that long entry in there. I'm upset that I missed it, or that it missed me. I said, no, you did enough today. You already missed a lot. It's like, I know I missed a lot. That's why I wanted to remake some of it. But I just missed. I should have had the sell contract. Hell, fuck, NASDAQ. Aren't you my friend? I thought we were tight. Hey, let's go. I'm getting out there today to get 18 at 3:30. I'm at 18 at 145, I think. 18 at 145. So let's go. All I'm looking for is one birdie today, King. I'll be a happy man if I can get in there with one less stroke than par. That's what I'm looking for. Up 600 on my XFAs. Time to go big or go homeless. Big or go homeless. Come on, penis. I believe in you, King. Trying to learn how to pick out a short here, Tyler. Could you explain like what you think is a good short, as in how to identify it here? All good if not. Of course, Elliot. So for me, what I'm looking for at this point, you can see the buyers are kind of looking for these next ranges. I'd actually be interested in a buy range right here. I still am interested in buys, but if you're looking for shorts, I'd go look at this volume profile in the hourly chart. You can see this hourly candle got the strong inversion. So if you for what I'm looking for is an imbalance, which is on this 970s price, which would make sense to sweep through this high and go find an imbalance there. I'd be interested in a short there. But the only thing that makes me scared about that is where we'd be inside of the 15-minute range. So for me, the safer shorts right now would be like a 980s, the 3000s, or the VWAP. Are kind of the only shorts I would actually like. And I'd just be looking for big levels, outside levels, where you think the people that started the selling party are going to re-participate, right? So for me, that would be, I'd likely expect them to re-participate at these balances where they haven't gotten their orders filled, which for me, again, 980s, 970s, VWAP, or 50% of the 15-minute range, which would be around the 30,000 price, if that makes sense. Same here. Birdies are few and far between. They're few and far between for me, so if I can just get one, I'll be proud. So what's the difference between Pro and Pro Plus? Just the percentage that the firm takes? Yeah, Dave. Pro Plus. Well, Pro Plus is... I guess I don't know, actually. That's a good question, Dave. I actually don't answer that. I should. I'm not an affiliate for them, so I don't have to. What volume indicator is that called on the side? This is the volume profile. So it shows you all the volume, the amount of contracts traded at each specific price. That makes sense. I appreciate that. Of course, Elliot. All right, King. Done for sure. Up 750. I'm gonna take that winning days. Lock it in right now, Matrix. I want you to stick around. I want to hear your name, but I do not want to see another trade out of you today, King. Lock that shit in, my man. I can't say I'm gonna do the same. I still want a long. I still can't believe we got missed by a fucking fart hair on this contract here before that push. So painful. We'd be crushing on that. We know to make that money back. That long tie would have been awesome. I know it, Danny. It hurts there here in the little chest a little bit because that would have allowed me to get like probably closer to 4,000 in these accounts, and I could have used all that drawdown to smash a big trade. Oh, Nasdaq. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying, Nasdaq. Retesting these 920s, bottom 15-minute range. I don't like it again for a second try to the sell side, to be honest. I wouldn't really like this. Possibly, I could see it holding, but not my favorite. Pro Plus is there live, and an unlimited profit has 10K max profit. An unlimited profit. Pro has 10K max profit. So I can only make 10K
You said
a
Monday?
day.
At what time again?
Pro is 80%, 20% split. 80. Pro Plus is 90, 10% split.
Tuesday 11. All right, thank you.
Look at y'all knowing the information. That's crazy. I'm up 80. So if I took the 5 contracts and I hit a 100-point trade, I'm going to be upgraded to Pro Plus. I'll be 10K in a day. I'm up 800 Panda. I love seeing it, King. Congrats, baby. Still upset about my 30,020 short, LOL. Just so shy, Danny. The Nasdaq's been doing that. Just dick missing us. Like, it likes us, and it's like, hey, I want you to know where we're going, but you're not going to get involved. I'm sorry. I want you to see it. I want you to know you were correct, but you're not actually going to get paid for it. It's like, oh, thank you, Nasdaq. Yeah, okay. Yeah, thank you. Trying to get through the bottom of this 15-minute range again. Still a little bit of selling reaction from our friends. I don't expect it to be as strong as it was previously. I kind of expect a little bit of a higher price here, so you almost could try an EMA bounce. Obviously, it's lower probability, probably like a C+ setup, but I still like it to be an option. I really wouldn't mind a VWAP short or like a 30,000 short if we got up there. That would be like Valhalla beauty. Look at the reaction, though. Sellers saying, actually, we are still somewhat here, by the way. Keep that in mind. Oh, yeah, you are, clearly. Sellers are still clearly here a little bit. Not as, you see the difference in this candle break, though? Look at this, family. This is awesome for technical analysis. See how we had a big level test at the bottom 15-minute range, and then a nasty sell candle to break through the EMA, like even 50% through it, strong break, compared to this one where we're retesting that same price, and the sellers can only get to the EMA. Not as, like, commanding as this one, right? So, just something to watch, because now we could bounce off this and it'd just be a nice buy support, rather than typically when I take an EMA trade, it's like off a strong break and then this retest. This was a beautiful entry, the second contract traded. But I got out because I was a scaredy cat and didn't hold for the actual push. Sellers, now off this second candle, I still don't actually like it a little bit more. They look like they really are trying to get this to come down a bit. Maybe back into like these like 850s. Let me draw up a trend line here. Typically, this trend line will be hard to break. They are. They're defending it again. So you can see where the buyers are struggling to push through and where the sellers are resting. So, Elliot, I was wrong. I was thinking maybe we'd get a little bit higher, but you can see they're trying to defend this price here.
Order filled. Order filled.
Another scaredy exit. Just looking for base hits right now. Just trying to build up our drawdown. Another scaredy exit, though. Why are you so dick-ticking me, Nasdaq? Move when I'm in. Move. God. Look at the exact same contract trade. Exact same thing. I said, I'm not going to do this twice in a row, am I? Guess what I did, fam? I did it twice in a row.
Yo, Dave, my bad. I'm just seeing the chart. What the fuck is that? Latency fucking settings.
But it's probably
how the fuck do you even adjust that, son?
And let me know that I am a little scaredy ass.
I don't even know what the fuck that is.
Beep, beep, beep. now we have 32 points to draw down. So we
And
just
I
gave
usually
ourselves
watch
6 more, which
my
feels
charts are
good.
made for 15
32
minutes.
points to draw down
time
to
frame,
try our
by the
trade
way.
tomorrow or Monday, and we'll see what happens. Yeah, there it is. There it is. There it is. There it is. Of course, because I am a little beep, little beep, little b-boy, a little beep 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 beep. Ow! Look at it go! Why are you so slow though, Nazi? I'm trying to be a part of it. The exact same thing I did earlier, family. The exact same setup, the exact same shit, and look at it. Now it's going. That would have been a fatty McFatty. How do you do it? How do I hold through that? How do I get better? Because I has 2 contracts. It's just a little too heavy, making me nervous. Hold, Pat. I know. Oh, I know. When I start to trade like that, the emotions involved, getting scared out of positions, that's my sign to call it and come back another day. Yeah, but 2 contracts are scary. Go break even, let it ride. That actually is a good point. I could have just be riding break even and letting it go. And you're right, Sabs. I'm the same way. If I'm starting to be emotional like that, I usually sign for me to stop trading. It's just tough. It's tough. It's just moving so much. It's 2 contracts. I think the 2 contracts is getting me mentally. I'm just trying to be so precise with it. Yeah, I'm just trying to be a little too precise with it. Look at this pattern, though. I mean, they really did defend those 900s really cleanly a second time. So it's like, there was reasons to try to hold. Time for 5. I don't think I can. I would right now, Pat, but I don't think that I can. I think I have to wait for the next day, right? Does anyone know if that's true or not, actually? This TV is scales, right? So I can't do it right now. I'd do 5 right now if I could. I don't think that I can, right? Anyone have that information, actually? It's important. I'm curious. 25 contracts right now off this buy down here? Or if we break through it, sell to the lows? I think max is 6. We'll stay with 5. We'll stay with 5. I can't do it immediately, can I? If I can do it immediately, I might as well because I'll have more drawdown. Or no, I don't. I have the same amount of drawdown, actually. That's I'm over the buffer. So yeah, distance to drawdown. I have 33 points. Alright, I need to research. Can I do it right now or not? Into this EMA we go, or this trend line. Do the buyers break through here? Or buyers support it again? This typically is a pretty tough one to break for the buyers, sellers. I have to sign back in. Can you trade 5 contracts on a TPT Pro on day 1? Day 1 after buffer. Yes, you can trade 5 contracts on a take profit trader on pro account on a day 1. Ah, we're about to get crazy! Ah, we're about to get crazy! Alright, let's see if we can find something here, family. I wish I would have known that here. Fuck. Well, fuck, dude. You know what I'm saying? Fuck, dude.
Wait, what happened? I ran to the computer. What happened? Wait, what happened?
So we find it then. That's what we gotta do then. We gotta find it then. We have 33 points in drawdown, my family. Oh, I gotta get out of here in 15 minutes, though. Is this smart? Is a lot of the plays played out, or should I be... I gotta go to golf here in 10-15 minutes. Do we look for a little something? Do we use our trade right now, or do we wait for something cleaner? I mean, it's giving a lot of points. 920s to the 820s, 100-point push. It's doing stuff. We did defend this trend line. Wait, what happened? Wait, enjoy golf green. If it's on, it's on. Not yet. I heard yelling.
Wait, what the fuck happened, guys?
Yeah, D, we're yelling because we can trade 5 contracts right now. I could swing this drawdown. I could swing $3,300 and go for it. I could fucking send it right now, but it's like, dude.
Oh, hell no.
Oh boy, do I. Oh boy, do I. If it's on, it's on. What happened? You can trade 10 accounts or something? I can trade 5 per. I take profit trader pro accounts. I got over the buffer. I made 3,300, and so now I can technically use those as my drawdown for 5 contracts. And I really want to. You know what I mean? I really want to. Let's be patient here. If I find something in the next 10 minutes, hard stop at 55. All right. So if I do not get in a position before 55, I'm out of here. Put just 25-minute minis order somewhere. Yeah, somewhere crazy. Go bananas. Go bonkers. If we break through this trend line, I'm selling. For some reason, I feel like it will be hard to, though. I typically expect this trend line to be hard to break. Even though we've got second defense at the bottom of this 15-minute range, we haven't really auctioned higher whatsoever today. Sellers clearly are the dominant of the two. As we come closer into 11, it's kind of just more and more to the sell side. Trying to tap through this trend line. Oh! You got a 5K payout right now. Think about that, Ty. I know, William, but I don't want 5K. I want to put it on the line here. Oh, sellers tapping these 8s.
Calling Elijah on speaker.
I don't want a 5K payout, William. Not to be a snobby fucker, but I just don't. Right? I would risk the 5 for 40. I'm risking that 5K for a 40K payout. If I hit this push off of this to the lows, we're ball hauling. The 800s are terrifying, though. I ain't gonna hold you.
Yo, you really want me to go?
I almost shorted that. It happened just
You
a little
never
too
answered
quick,
me
but I
or
really
nothing.
like that chance.
Or y'all didn't see the text message. You
You're
asked me to
joking.
go get the
You're
filament.
joking me, family. That would have been it.
I didn't even see, dude. I don't get the messages for some reason. I need to make the new group
You're
chat
joking me,
because
family. That would have been it. I really wanted that. It just happened a little too fucking quick.
Every time I go in there, it says I left the group chats.
Oh yeah, just make a new one and then I'll leave this one too. Cause me and you can only leave. So if we leave, Scott.
I have an order at the 32s.
Um,
See if we get love.
So there won't be no group chat.
Hopefully it's an EMA tab.
Here, I'll leave right
We're
now
going
if
for it,
you.
family. 5 contracts per account. Seeing if we can find a break towards these lows. 800s are going to be the scary spot.
Order filled.
We're
No,
tapped.
that's what I'm saying. I'll go. Do you want me to
Once
go
you push
today?
towards these
I don't
lows.
have nothing to do. Did you see? Look in there. Did you see how much I made? Look in the group chat right now.
Here, hold on. I got a big
Through the 800s is where everything
All right.
changes.
It's not going to take long. I've been in a couple files.
Oh no, you're good.
down there.
I'm chilling. I don't know if you need to hang up.
Get
I was
through
gonna
these
chill on the
800s.
phone.
No, I don't need to hang up. I'll be driving the scale.
All right. Yeah, that's why I was like, damn. And you said what? I was like, damn. You just sitting there when you took that picture and you sent me it.
Family, that was it.
Oh, yeah. I just like right now. I got to keep going.
Do they have? You should talk to your boss and let me get a job
Myself,
holding the
yes.
sign that Joey was doing. Tell
We don't do that.
who holds the dummy sign. Who
We're
holds
going
the
to break
sign?
even. I
Slow
don't want to see
down.
this come back.
I think that
That's
looks.
a whole nother
Sellers
thing.
have to try here if we're going
Who
for
sits
it.
in the those white cars that you see with the little lights on the top that just be sitting? Are those real cops? Like
Yeah, so they are.
Give me a good candle closure, sellers. Get through this spot. It's a sticky spot. Still feel like I should leave a little risk on. I think I'm gonna get tagged out here.
I was
They are real cops. They have.
Stop.
I was wondering that. I was wondering can they pull you over? So they can. They're not gonna
I'm
come
not
back to
getting at
me.
a higher price.
Yeah, they can pull you over and just. Don't tell me how they're on top.
We're risking our drawdown, family.
Then I ain't stopping. Oh, hell no.
I don't like that candle closure back inside of the zone at all.
They gotta know it's me because it's the only Wayne Beyonce license plate. Alright then,
Nah, I
yeah.
don't like that.
If you want though, I mean,
Bad trading. I'm calling it
You really
there.
want like the colors you want?
Terrible
Well,
trading.
I mean,
Didn't like that outside
and
edge. I
if
did
you
take
want,
my initial spot.
I don't know if it's up to
Fuck.
you. I
It is
can
what it is.
like
We're gonna call it right
I
there.
still have Bailey on Snap. I think
Oh!
when I get there because they have every little shade of
Terrible.
each color.
Back to only 28
So I
points to
could
draw
take
now.
a picture of
I'm
each
at
color
33
and
to
send
lose,
it to her
but
if
I
you
forgot
want.
how
me to
fragile
see
it
if She
was.
wants what exact color she wants.
Wanted to break
Because
towards
you
these
said
eights
brown and
so
green.
badly
They have
just
like
now.
5 to 10 different
So
greens.
badly I wanted
Then
that break
they have
towards
like
these eights. If it
5
went
to
down,
10
it was gonna
different
feel
browns.
So good.
That's what I'm saying.
At the buyer said no.
See if
No.
whenever you look at the Browns,
We're gonna hodl.
Uh-huh.
see if they have the color code.
So we gotta be patient. We only have 4
And
minutes
if
hard
anything,
stop. So
I know on
think the buyers are
Snapchat you
looking
can make a
for
group.
this trend
I
line.
can
Like I
send
said, this is
both
a
of
hard
you
one to
guys
break. Always is gonna be.
I just put it in a group, sending both of y'all the picture.
They do it now this time or what?
All right. I'll do that because I'll probably go today. Are you? But you
We'll see this
just
break
just
till
know
you
the
come
prices
I feel like they could get it
for
this
those
time.
that probably
Still think
$14.99.
we can
Is
go
that
lower
alright?
here.
And it's just 2.
See if they get this.
And then
break
if
this
you
time.
could get, I have other colors. You could get whatever you want.
These
if you
800s
don't
are
need the rest
obviously
of those
a
colors.
very tough.
Because if
tough
you get
spot to
brown,
break
I'll
through.
probably use
That's
some
what
of
we're
it for
hoping to get
Scooby-Doo.
into.
Yeah, no, that's fine.
I might make
Whatever
a.
you have left, just keep it.
You don't want nothing 4 feet?
Not right now. I don't have nowhere to put that.
I'm gonna make a 4 feet Scooby
Just
Doo.
wanted that a little earlier, Nazi. We just
Did you see the
didn't need you to
bulldog
just
they
stick
have?
around
They
if
don't
you will.
have your type of dog. But I sent the dog that they have.
Yeah, that's the Frenchie.
Yeah, they don't have your type. But
Not the can of closure
Yeah,
I
that
wanted. I wanted
Frenchie
the
is big,
closure
too.
stronger with a
You
break
see how
and
big that
retest. I'm
shit
not
is?
gonna get down on that position.
Yeah.
for it says this one is 1221 millimeters, which is 4 feet. Yeah, for the one I'm doing the claw.
That's tough.
But if I go get your
That's actually
stuff,
tough.
I'll probably stop the
Still
claw
like
and then do
Zelda
your
break
stuff
through
and then
this
finish the claw then after. Alright. Let me know though. So $14.99. And if you want glow, she could get glow too. So just let her know glow is $24. That's the one.
She'll probably just do the regular green. But she's gonna put it in her
It's the
office.
time the
Alright.
get looked at.
Cause at night, when she turns off the light, you'll see it. It goes. It's pretty
We
sick.
have 28 points in drawdown, which would be if I bought that and then we push
Yeah.
to these top.
But, alright.
29s.
And then how tall did you guys want it? Cause I gotta figure out how to translate the percentage to feet. But if you
We're going
guys
for it
give me
again,
a
family.
feet, I can figure it out.
What is it in right now? Inches?
No, it's in percentage.
Percentage?
Yeah, it's like. Let me see.
She'd probably only do it like 10 inches.
Watch. Let me.
Still
What was
like
that
this
called
a little
again?
bit more.
Cactus. Oh,
And I hesitated. Why did I hesitate? Look at it. Look at the deer. Fuck, that sucks. That's just
So it was the brown one, the jewelry
Alright.
cactus.
Wah, wah. It's 54.
Yeah.
We're done.
So that one normally
Womp womp.
comes.
We took 2 tries. We lost what? We lost like 4 points. Yeah, we lost 4 points with that. But that would have been interesting.
And normally, like, I'll download it and take a
We could've
picture of it and
stumped
send
it.
it to you guys.
I know you want to on a single move, but taking basis can get you there as well. You're right. I'd go golf. Trade from a
Well, you want me to put it in the other group in the same group chat?
Yeah, if you want
55 family. Hard stop. What a day. Oop. Didn't mean to do that. Oop. Oop. Oop.
The
What
fuck?
was that? Oop. Go away. Oop. Remove it from your layout. Go away.
Dude, I had two
Oh, no. NASDAQ. Where
things
you at?
open.
My girl. What is it? NQQ6 or M6 still? M6? Yes. No.
So this is how tall it
No,
normally
that
comes.
looks gross. Wait.
Let me see if I
no.
can do it.
Why? NASDAQ. Stop. No.
The fuck is this?
Oh, NASDAQ.
Yeah, dude. So yeah, on my funded accounts that dude,
deleted our
it's
shit.
crazy. I just bought them 2 days ago.
You're overtrading.
It takes
Time
2
drink some
days to
sun.
pass.
Time to drink some sun.
The
I
first,
wanted this to try
I
to
bought
break
them in the
some
morning. I
gates.
made
It's
1,500,
over, family. So,
and then
I'm
at
gonna do
4
it.
p.m. the
Yeah,
new
my
market
word.
opened, right?
5 hard
Because it
stop,
closes at
and
3, it
we'll
opens
walk
at
out,
4.
call it a day.
I took another trade
It
at
would've
4
been
the
crazy
same
to go
day.
for what we
I bought
wanted,
them.
but,
I made another 1,500. I activated it.
Well, I want to buy this.
Dude, that
So-
same night I took a trade.
Holy shit.
I made money. The next morning I took a trade. I made $4,000, dude. And then today, and then that same day, yesterday. So yesterday
That's it,
morning I
family.
made
I love you
4,000.
guys. You know what it is.
Yesterday
Happy
night I
free
took
stress
another
Friday,
trade
stress
right at
free
4 and made
Friday, whatever.
7,700.
Hit DLL
So
on
I'm
your
at
account.
4,800
Feels bad,
on
but
those
the damage
accounts
is
on my
exactly
funded.
like it was at the
I
end
need
of
3 more
Wednesday,
days
so
for the 10.
I've already thought
I'm
about
already
it.
at the
It is what it is.
$10,000 max
Make it
payout on
happen, or we
it. So I
won't.
just
And
need
that's
3
what
more
trading
days
is,
and I
so.
could get the
We'll see what happens,
$10,000
but
on
we
there.
did get in these TPT
I'll pay it
accounts. I
out,
can be
and then
grateful that we
I bought
did
some
well.
new accounts
I
this
know I could've
morning,
done
and I
better
already made
twice.
1,200
Look
on
at
all
this.
of them.
Exit,
So I need
terrible.
2 more
This exit
days
wasn't
for
as
those to
bad.
be
I like this
funded.
exit better than I like this exit, just because it was our first test of that level. Sellers just came below the EMA. There's a lot of reasons why I should have held the second one. This
let me
third one,
see.
I can understand why I got out a
It
little bit more
says
than I did.
it's-
You can see it wasn't as safe of a hold. And then trying the 5 contracts here, we put it on the line. We tried to make it happen. I think buyers are actually going to get a little bit of a gumption through here. So is what it is, family. But I appreciate y'all for riding. It means the most, family. You guys
What
are
is
so
the
supportive.
highest? Y?
I don't know how close we are to our 30
Is
likes
Y the
being, but
highest,
you're showing
or
some
no?
love.
Z
Truly
is the
means a lot.
highest.
So thank you guys for being a part of the
Right?
family.
Or
Our
is that
community
the-
is undeniable.
I don't know.
And you guys make me a
not
better
sure.
trader. So enjoy your weekend, family. Take some real time away, think, reflect, de-stress. I'm going to do my very best to just let this week go. Obviously, I still feel like it was a $38,000 mistake of a week, but the accounts are still alive. The battle's still there. We're not over it. We just got to keep dialing it in, so we're going to try our best. In the meantime, family, I fucking love you guys. You know what I'm talking about? Real love, real support. So drink
So
some
this
sun,
is how tall it's gonna
get
be.
some water. Hug somebody you love throughout the weekend, and we'll be back Monday to see if we can do it all over again, all right? Take it easy, family. Peace.
You see your phone? I can make it a little taller than that, if you want.
See my phone? What do you mean?
Oh shit! You left the group chat?
Yeah.
Hold on.
I'm trying to make another one right now, but it's saying that there's still another group chat, so I gotta find that. Oh, I found it. The whole group chat with fucking
Here,
Joey's shit in there.
I made a new one.
Okay.
Here, I sent it to you guys.
God damn.
You see, so that's how tall it's gonna be.
You can make a new one. That's the fucking old chat.
No, I made a new one. Yeah, cause I don't have a chat with you guys.
So what the hell? To me, that's the old one. When it popped up, it's showing old pictures in there still.
Oh yeah, I'm in the old one. It says I'm gonna leave. You put I'm gonna leave in this. Why can you? Do you get the notifications though?
Yeah, I got him.
And then look, here's the dimensions.
Yeah, I think it's gonna be sick. And you can do the base. So you see the cactus, right?
Mhm.
You could do that base on the cactus a different color, because that's gonna be like soil. Rocks is soil.
The rocks are soil.
Rocks or soil.
So what color do
Oh,
you?
that's not a percentage. That's in millimeters. So you just gotta change it. So convert it from millimeters.
No, you can't convert it. That's what I'm saying. I don't. Oh no.
No,
No, that's what I was telling you. Yeah, that's what I was saying. That's why. My bad. I thought you meant on the actual program. No, but that's what I was telling you. I just need to convert the millimeters into inches.
Oh,
But it's Y, so that means the Y is the.
why is the width?
Yeah. Well, Y is going up. Y is the. I mean Z. Z is the blue.
Yeah, Z is up.
So it says it's 87.35. Look that up real quick. What is 87.35?
Alright, hold on. Let me look it up. It's 3.40 inches. So I want it at like 10 inches.
And that's what?
Or actually, probably maybe a foot.
12 inches?
Yeah, so 12 inches. So let me see inches to millimeters. 304 millimeters. 304.8. That's what that would be at.
304.
Yeah, 304.8.
Niggas not letting me put that. Oh hell no.
You're losing your head.
Huh?
Now this dude over here.
Dude, it's not letting me put that.
It's not.
Hold up.
Because your thing probably doesn't cut a foot.
It's at. I got it to. Dude, I don't think. Nigga, my printer can't print that. Oh hell no.
That's why you do it in sections. Do the cactus in like 2 sections.
Yeah, I know. I could break it. I could slice it. Damn, you saw her? She wants that big? Oh, hell no, nigga.
So you gotta think about it. The necklace, when she puts a necklace on it, it's gonna hang down.
Oh, yeah, her
You don't want it
necklaces
hanging
are
on the
big.
floor.
Yeah, I didn't think about that part.
Because, like, so my chain, when I have it hanging, it's hanging about a foot. And mine are longer than hers.
Actually, I might be able. Let me see how high I could do it.
Dude, I bet if you make a few of those, you could fucking sell them too, dude. I bet people will buy them.
You think her mom will buy one for me?
Maybe if it was a little bit different. I don't know if she'd buy a cactus one.
Yeah, they have other ones.
She does need something too for her jewelry, because she always be fucking losing her shit.
Yeah, I can make jewelry boxes. I can make makeup boxes. Any of that stuff. So,
Whenever you like, send me pictures of all that shit too, because I might, before you go to the store, I might have you get more colors to make one for her mom. But do something similar, like to hold the jewelry line.
so you want me to send you? Don't send you like jewelry boxes or nothing. Send you jewelry trees.
Yeah, like.
All right, yeah,
like
I'll look up jewelry trees and then send you it. But this one, let me see if I could get it. So 200%. Let me see if I can see. What the fuck? Dude, it crashed on me for the second time.